5 seconds. Comments. Communicating with a person who is in front of you is face-to-face communication, and this is mostly oral in nature. Communicating with a person who is away from you is communicating over a distance and is called distance communication. It may be either oral or written in nature. In this unit, you are going to look at distance communication and some of the ways in which it is managed. One of the most common modes of distance communication is mail. It is also one of the earliest systems of such communication. In its simplest form, mail means a letter which is sent by post. Mail is cheapest form of communication. A new development in this field of communication is speed post. This facility enables the other party to get the message via letters within the shortest possible time. More recently, a number of private courier servers have come to cope with the ever increasing quantum of mail. A telegram transmits messages over long distance faster than a letter. A telegraphic message can be sent over a teleprinter. Telegrams can be dictated from one's home over the telephone from onward transmission. This way of sending a telegram is called a phonogram. But a telegram is costlier than a letter as every word has to be paid for. Therefore, telegrams are sent when the messages are urgent. Because of this only, the important part of a message is sent in a telegram. Very often, a letter containing the other details follows a telegrams. Telex is the name given to the teleprinter service whereby messages can be transmitted directly from a telex subscriber to any other telex subscriber either in India or abroad. Therefore, it is called point-to-point communication. It is believed to combine the speed of the telephone and the accuracy of the letter is conveying messages. Telex messages are charged on the basis of distance and transmission time, whereas the teleprinter can transmit conventional signs like letters of the alphabet, numerals, punctuation marks, etc. The fax machine is an improvement of the teleprinter, can be used to transmit entire document from one place to another. Fax is an abbreviation of facsimile. It functions like a long distance Xerox machine. It is the fastest mode of transmitting documents. We said at the beginning that distance communication could be oral as well as written. While the letter, the telegram, the telex and the fax are all forms of written communication, the radio, the television and the telephone are long distance systems of oral communication. The radio and the television are one-way mass communication media. Unlike the mass media, the telephone enables interpersonal communication. Moreover, we have immediate feedback. It is quick and saves a lot of valuable time and energy. Through the STD and ISD, a direct contact can be established with people in different places all over the country.